This is Njambiz and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to create in-mail ads on LinkedIn. Now I've been requested to do this. I did create 3 different LinkedIn videos. I've created how to create a LinkedIn company page, which is performing incredibly well. Thank you. You can check it out in the description box. I'll leave a link or at the top right corner right now. I also did a different video on creating LinkedIn ad. I did the usual regular ad, not an email ad. You can also check that out. I'll leave the link in the description box and also at the right top corner right now. And the third video I did was going through LinkedIn analytics and deleting a LinkedIn account. Now I'd like to touch on that a little bit. Again, link will be in the description box, top right corner right now. So what I want to touch on, I talked about deleting a LinkedIn ad account and how to go about that. You email them, and as you can remember, if you've seen the previous videos, check them out. I had several ad accounts lined up here and I did email them to delete them, which they did. So now I've created a new one, starting afresh on this page, because I was promoting different pages that I am no longer working on. So I removed those ad accounts, and as you can see, it works perfectly. So now I just have the one ad account. So again, from my former videos, check them out. You'll see how to create the ad account, how to access it from your page. I've already shared that. So I'll go straight into my account and create the in-mail ad. Also, the other thing I want to mention is that when you add a credit card, they deduct $5 from your account to verify the card. I had mentioned in the previous videos that they deduct a certain amount to verify your card, but now I can confirm it's $5. I realized I didn't mention that before, so it's about 550 Kenya shillings, $5, which they refund, by the way, which they refund once they verify. They will reverse that transaction and put back the money, as with all the other online advertising platforms. So let me go ahead and now create the campaign after talking so much. Thank you for sticking around. So I'll go ahead and give my campaign a name. Let me call it in-mail ad DM for digital marketing, because that's the page I'm gonna advertise with. I will actually run this ad, and then in the next week, today is the 25th of September, in the next week, on maybe Tuesday or Wednesday next week, which should be about, which date? By the 1st or 2nd of October, I'll do a review of how that campaign has performed so far, just to give you an idea of what to expect. I'll give you the analytics, how much I've spent, how it's performed, and if there are any conversions thus far in that week. Of course, this is online marketing. Conversions are not instant, but we will keep reviewing. I want to do this, run this ad for you so that you get an idea of exactly what to expect, not just show you how to create it. Now, to create the ad, the in-mail ad specifically, your objective will determine the ad type you get. And what do I mean by that? If you create a brand awareness, for example, campaign, just check the ad types down here, the ad formats. These are the ad formats you get: single image, carousel, video, text ad, spotlight ad, and follower ad. Now this does not give you a message ad, which is what you want for your in-mail campaign. So I'll change this, and then I'll let you know which ones have in-mail. This one, brand awareness, does not offer in-mail ad. Message ad, website visits has message ads. Let me show you real quick what that looks like. So once you select that objective, check the ad format. This is the message ad, this is the in-mail ad. This is what we are looking for. So websites visits for objective does have that. I won't use that because I don't want to send people to the website. Engagement does not. Video views only has a video ad. Lead generation has message ad. and so does website conversions. Job applications does not. So out of these objectives, only 3 of them can do the message ad, and that's website visits, lead generation, and website conversions. So I'm going to pick lead generation as my objective and continue to create my audience. Now I don't have a saved audience, and I don't want to use the LinkedIn audience that is like this is what they have. You can choose by members with a bachelor's degree, expertise in biotechnology. They're very specific ads audience sets. So I will not pick this. I will go ahead and create my audience specifically. So I'll add the location for what I'm advertising. I'm only targeting people in Kenya for now. These are my target audience, so I'll go ahead and select Kenya in location, and as you can see, it's giving me the forecasted results. My target audience so far is 2.2 million, and it's giving me how much I'll spend if I'm doing 30 days, 7 day, 1 day, and estimated impressions. Estimated click-through rate, that's how many people will click on the ad, estimated that is, and leads, estimated leads, estimated clicks. So if you want to know exactly about roughly how much you'll be able to get out of the ad, you can check the forecasted results, and remember these are forecasted, not precise. The actual will change. So then I'll also select attribute, audience attributes. I want to do audience attributes. I want to select by job title, because for the ad I want to run, I want to target entrepreneurs, business owners mainly. So I'll go ahead and write owner. I'm looking for owner, business owners, so I'll go ahead and select all these. I'll also search with founder. I think that's enough for what I need here. I'll go ahead and choose the ad format, which is the message ad. I had already mentioned this because I'm looking to do an email ad. Placement, this for that ad type doesn't allow for the LinkedIn audience network, which is outside LinkedIn. That works with especially single image ads and so on, so that's fine. Then select my daily budget. The minimum you can spend on a LinkedIn ad per day is $10. I had mentioned this in my previous videos, so if you haven't, again, catch up with the previous videos. And I want to run this ad continuously, but I want to set a start and end date. And like I'd mentioned, I'll be doing a review next week, so I'll end it on, actually I'll end it on Monday. I'm supposed to do this video on Tuesday. This one is a bit late. Okay, so I'll run it up to Monday. It's giving me my total spend estimate so far, $28 to $60, depending on how many people it reaches. Then the recommended bid for this is 0.1 to 0.2. So I'm gonna raise this a bit. Kinda want it to reach people, so I'll go ahead and put the maximum bid for similar advertisers. Then conversion tracking, not necessary for this ad type. I'll move on, save. And then come and create my ad. So I'll go ahead and say web design and the ad. Select the sender of your message. Yes, that's the person. Let me see. Yeah, you can select someone else, but then they would have to approve, send them a request. But since I'm sending as myself, I'll leave this as me. Yeah, that's me on LinkedIn. Look for me. You can send me messages on LinkedIn if you have any more questions. You can also comment below on the YouTube video. Okay, so I'll go ahead and create the message. This is gonna be long, so I'll fast forward you through it because it's gonna be a bit wordy. So stick with me. Okay, so I will take you through what we've done so far. I've put in the text as mentioned, and then this bit I wanted to show you. If you want to kind of address someone, customize the message, personalize, actually that's the word I'm looking for, personalize the message, and you want this to say, for example, in my case, dear Jambi, then the message, you input this, you'll see it on the right hand corner right here, the code for picking the first name, last name, company name, job title or industry, depending on what you're trying to achieve. So I've put in the code for first name so that it inserts the recipient's first name there. And then I've linked here my website. You can do that with this link here. And then at the bottom I've added a visit call to action button to my page, and then I've added a little banner. They give you the dimensions you need and the format. So I've added a little banner here which I created with Canva, which I've showed you how to create in some of my former videos. Link will be on the top right corner and the description box below, so check it out, check how to create that. So we'll proceed now to the form details. So we'll proceed to the form. Fill in the details I want to collect from the potential customers, from the people I reach. So I'll call the form the same thing I called the ad, Inmail ad DM for digital marketing. Language is English. Of a headline. So headline to my form, increase, I'll put it the same as the ad subject. Just for a bit of consistency there. Then I'll add what I've added on my ad itself. So I've put a privacy policy text. It's important to tell people what the information is for, and assure them that this will not be sold or distributed. Okay, so let's go next to lead details, custom questions, first name for sure, last name, email address. I also want phone number, I think for that's enough. First name, last name, email address, and phone number. That should be good. Then I'll add a custom question. Okay, I think those should be enough questions. And then I'll go to confirmation. Okay, it seems to be having an error on the form. Let's see what that is. Okay, this must be a URL. I'll put that in to my website. Okay, so I've filled in the form details plus the privacy policy, that is. I've filled in what details I want to get. I've also added a confirmation message. Thank you for contacting us, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And in the meantime, they can visit our website, and I've created the link. So I'll go ahead and create this. So there we go. My ad is created. Now all I have to do is launch the campaign. Here we go. Great job! You've successfully launched your campaign. Ads that were previously approved will start serving immediately unless otherwise noted below. New ads are under review and will serve pending approval. So yeah, they're going to review the ad, and once it's approved, it will start running. So let's go to account overview. So here it is. It's gonna start running as soon as it's approved, and like I mentioned, I'll share the analytics and how the ad performs in next week's video, so be sure to tune in. And if you're watching this after the week is over, just check out the next video the next LinkedIn tutorial video, which will be that how the campaign has performed thus far. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, leave them in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, if you learned something today, give this video a very big thumbs up. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. We'll be learning a whole lot more on digital marketing on this channel every single Tuesday or Wednesday, depending on the day. So give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button below and join Team Njambiz, where we learn about digital marketing, branding and business every single Tuesday or Wednesday, and I share a bit about my life experiences every Friday or Saturday. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.